Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to this video review. I am Aline and today I'm here to talk to you about GlucoBerry. So if you are searching right now on your computer to learn more about GlucoBerry and fully understand how to use this supplement and get to know basically 100% of every single info about it, you guys did come to the correct video. Here in this video, I will be talking about precautions and alerts and so much more other information about it. So hopefully by the end of this video, everything regarding this supplement is going to be crystal clear and you will not have any more doubts about it. All right, so let's get it started. Actually, right now, I will be sharing the most important piece of information with you about GlucoBerry. This is like the #1 info you need to know, and that is actually where to get it from. You see, GlucoBerry is already having such a great impact on the market and it's helping thousands of people. So of course there are always those people who want to take advantage of it, right? And they are selling GlucoBerry on other big famous websites, but clearly they're not the real deal. And we all know that when it's not the real deal, it could lead to bad side effects or zero results. The manufacturer said that they are only selling GlucoBerry on the official website. So I went to the official website. I copied the link for you guys and left it here in the description box. So you don't need to be surfing the internet. It's going to be like a click away and you can just go there, make a safe purchase and receive the original GlucoBerry. So you can thank me later for that. You're welcome. And guys, it's right here waiting for you. Now, actually, if you don't know, GlucoBerry's unique and proprietary formula is actually the first in the world to use maqui berry and 4 supporting nutrients to keep your blood sugar drain healthy. So, recent research has found that maqui berry extract has 2 powerful effects on blood sugar. After meals, high carbs or sugar, people who take maqui berry extract have really lower blood sugar spikes. Taking maqui berry extract every day improves long-term blood sugar markers by 23%. It works because it helps dissolve the sticky protein that can clog up your blood sugar drain. And when those clogs are cleared, your body can easily flush away excess sugar through your urine. So basically with GlucoBerry, you're going to support insulin production and be so much more healthier. It will help you remove blood sugar spike after a really carb-rich food. You're going to reduce sugar cravings. And once you are reducing sugar cravings, you're going to start to lose weight because you won't be eating sugary things all the time. Guys, you're going to have more energy to fulfill your tasks, to play with your kids, to do your hobbies. So if you're always feeling tired and lacking energy, you're going to have twice the energy. It's also very effective for blood glucose regulation and it boosts your kidneys health. Basically, summing all that up, guys, you're going to have the freedom to eat everything, any tasty food of your liking. So GlucoBerry is having such a great impact on men and women all over the world already. And what's best is that, since GlucoBerry is natural, it comes with no side effect, meaning it's free from allergens, non-GMOs, it doesn't contain toxins, it's non-addictive. Also, you just need to remember the most important part about GlucoBerry is you. It's you doing your part, you taking your treatment seriously. So once you do purchase it, and let me just tell you right now that it's best that you get a month supply that is either 3 months or 6 months, because that will give your body a lot of enough time to adapt to it, to deliver results, and also know all right, I'm taking GlucoBerry, I know what I need to do, right? So just remember, use it every day. Do not skip out on days, because I've seen people skip out on days on their treatment and they have really slow results or no results at all. So just use it on a regular daily basis per the manufacturer suggests. Be patient, your results will come, and don't compare yourselves to other people. We are all different, so we do experience different results at different periods of time, and that is completely fine, all right? Be patient. Now, it's really important that you know as well that GlucoBerry gives you a whole 180-day money-back guarantee. You have 6 months to use GlucoBerry, so within 180 days, if you don't see the slightest result or you are unhappy with it or whatever your personal reasons are, I'm just mentioning some of them here. you redirect yourself to the official website because that's the only place that gives you a full refund back. So that's why it's important that you get it from over there. And talk to the support group or the customer service group. They're going to help you get like every single penny that you spent on your purchase back. So look at it on the bright side. You are not throwing your money away. Your refund is there waiting for you should you need it. Okay? Guys, give it a chance. The official website is here waiting for you. Check out more about it over there. And let me tell you this, read people's feedbacks. You're going to see how you're going to relate to a lot of stories. All right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you still have any doubts or questions, leave them in the comments below and I will help you out. Bye. Have a great day. See ya.